Now let us continue the story. It was a summer afternoon. Kshatriya was feeling faint in the hot sun and wind. His feet were burning on the coal tar of the Pakka road. There was not a single tree to offer some shade, just a few houses and shops. Kshatriya was on his way home after buying medicines. He had an old tire on his back. These days he had to light his stove with just these rubber pieces of old tires. This caught fire fast and also saved some firewood. But the smoke and smell of the burning tires were terrible. So in the picture you can see he is carrying the tire on his back and moving to his home. In this new Sinduri village, they had to pay money for everything, for medicines, food, vegetables, firewood and fodder for the animals. They could just not afford to buy kerosene. But from where to get the money for all this? Thinking of all this, Kshatriya reached home. The roof, made of a thin sheet, made the house hot like an oven. Kshatriya's wife had high fever. His daughter Jhimli was rocking her little brother Sidhya to sleep in her lap. After all, there was no other older person with them. Kshatriya's parents had been so sad about leaving Khedi that they had died before he moved here. In Sinduri, there was only 8 to 10 families he could call his own, those from his old village. The whole village had got scattered and the people had gone wherever they had been given land. There was not like the new village Kshatriya had dreamt about. There was electricity, but only for some time in a day. And then the electricity bill had also to be paid. There were taps, but no water. In this village, Kshatriya got just one room in a thin shed. It had no place to keep the animals. He also got a small piece of land, but that was not good for farming. It was full of rocks and stones. Still, Kshatriya and his family worked very hard, but they could not grow much on the field and could not make enough money to buy seeds and fertilizers. In Khedi, people did not fall sick often. If someone fell ill, there were many people who knew how to treat them with the medicines made from plants. People felt better after taking those medicines. But here in Sinduri, there was a hospital, but it was difficult to find doctors and there was no medicine. There was a school here, but the teacher did not take much care about the children from Khedi village. These children found it difficult to study in a new language. The people of Sinduri did not welcome the newcomers of Khedi. They found their language and way of living strange. They made fun of Khedi people by calling them unwanted guests. Not much of what he had dreamt had come true. Then, some years later, Kshatriya stayed for a few years in Sinduri. The children were also getting older, but Kshatriya's heart was not here in Sinduri. He still missed his old Khedi, but there was no Khedi now. There was a big dam and a big lake of collected water in and around Khedi. Kshatriya thought, if we are all to be called unwanted guests, then at least let us go to some place where our dreams can come true. Kshatriya sold his land and his animals and came to Mumbai. He started a new life with his family. His only dream was to send his children to school, to give them a better future, a better life. Here too, things were not easy, but he hoped that things would get better. Kshatriya started saving money to repair his one-room shack. His relatives would tell him, don't waste money on this. Who knows, we may have to move from here too. In Mumbai, there is no place to stay for outsiders like us. Kshatriya was scared and worried. He thought, we left Khedi for Sinduri. When we then left Sinduri for Mumbai. If we have to move from here too, then where can we go? In this big city, is there not even a small place for my family to stay? So this was the question of Kshatriya Bhai, who moved from Khedi to Sinduri because a big dam was built. And in Sinduri, they were called as unwanted guests. Because of that reason, he again moved to Mumbai. But in Mumbai now, they are scared if they had to leave that place also. So, This is the story of Kshatriya Bhai, and because of this story, the name of this lesson is given as No Place for Us, because these people, they are wandering from one place to another as they left the Khedi, which was their own place. So this is all about the lesson No Place for Us. Thank you.